This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for September 15th. Corn was propelled higher by the lower week-over-week crop ratings, improved Gulf loading news, and a strong wheat market. In the Gulf, several terminals are back running with power, but only able to offload barges as they still have to repair their ship loading legs that were damaged by the exceptional winds from Hurricane Ida. From a weather perspective, the weather forecasts for the central portion of the U.S. are very warm and dry for the next 10 days, which should push the corn crop to quicker maturity and get the harvest really rolling. Soybeans had a choppy session before closing slightly lower. Soybean oil was actually higher yesterday, but the trade continues to worry about economic slowdowns related to COVID-19 and how the industry has been rationed in its demand. The USDA recently noted that poorer nations have also been rationed in their vegetable oil consumption, thus allowing larger supplies to enter the export market. Finally, the soybean harvest is starting up, and we're hearing some reports of some early soybean yields that have been lower than expected. Now, it's too early to know how this story is going to shake out, but it is something that traders are going to be keeping a very close eye on in the coming days. The wheat market was moved by international stories yesterday. The French Ag Ministry lowered its crop production estimate by 600,000 metric tons, down to 36.06 million. That reduction was due to wet weather in that nation. Canada followed suit with a smaller crop, as Stats Canada reduced the size of their crop more than had been expected. They placed the wheat production at 21.7 million metric tons. That's a 38.3% reduction from last year's production numbers. Concern about dryness in Australia was all supportive to the wheat market, and at the end of the day, the news allowed all three complexes to close double digits higher. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.